Right, good morning everyone. Hope you all had a nice Christmas. I know I did. Oh look, pretty nails. No, my daughter paid for my nails doing. Aren't they lovely? And then we both got matching rings. See? Another one to the collection. But yes, I hope everybody had a nice Christmas. We did. I had my sister over, my eldest sister, with her daughter, one of her daughters and one of her sons. And my daughter came up and we all had a really, really nice dinner. I am talking with a bit of a blocked nose because I woke up this morning with a blocked nose, but I'm fine. It's not COVID. Anyway, some of you ordered from the shop just prior to Christmas, but we were too late to post, which they're going out today. Your parcels. If you're from the UK, so you'll get it within the week, hopefully. Give a week. The first class, second class, they're all arriving at the same time. It makes no difference. But overseas one, just give it a few more days to normal. It normally takes 2 weeks. But with COVID and Christmas and that, you know, it's probably taking an extra week. And if you haven't heard about your parcel prior to Christmas, like I say, it might take that week longer. So just let us know. You know, we'll look, check everything out and whatnot. But I do hope you all had a nice Christmas. I enjoyed mine. I think it's a lot of fuss for one day. We're being a bit cynical. I don't care. I've got some lovely, lovely buttons. My youngest sister gave me a bag of buttons. So I've got some buttons here that I'm now going to add to my jar. Some really nice ones as well. See those? I like those on a project. It's going to kill me to have nails on. Because even though I grow my own nails sometimes, when they're your own, you can handle things better. But when they're not yours, I find it awkward because I don't have them. I don't have long nails long enough to get used to them anymore. But anyway, so I've got some buttons to play around with, which I'm not going to do yet. I think what I'm going to do is, let's see, what can I do? We'll make a flower. Why not? Glue guns on, and I'm just going to get my stuff and we'll make a flower. Right, as you can see, I've fished out quite a bit of my stash that I've got. That's a scrap. I've also got some bits here. Oh, that is my stomach. It is rumbling because I'm hungry and I'm waiting for my dinner. But yeah, I've got some bits and pieces here. So I'm just going to move the buttons to one side. I might actually use a button or two, maybe. I don't know. And I'm going to start. I'm going to use that up, I think. Oh, and look, my niece bought me my cup. Looks like our lucky. Right, so it is only scrap. These are all the ends I cut off of things. What's this? Oh, that was another one I didn't use. Oh, we can use that then, can't we? And use that as a base. Because it's a bit crumpled. Right, okie dokie. I'm going to get my little mats. My non-stick mat. Oh, I can't wear my little finger thing now, can I? Can I? Yeah, that'll do. I'm going to glue this on. I can sort my glue gun out. Now, we have got some nice things in the shop, and I did put up, but we've sold some of them over Christmas, the scrapbooking sets. Let me just get that so you can see. So I would grab them while you can, because they are selling. Our scrapbooking bits. Let me just get my scissors. You know me, I like to cut little bits off here and there of something. So this is a nice shabby scrap flower. Oh, see, I start filming, phone goes. It was Raymond. My God. Right, that looks nice, doesn't it? We can use that. And I'm just going to... Yeah, now I do sound like I've got a cold, but I've not got one like you think. It's, Let me just see what else we have. I can put a bit of that on. See, it's just what I cut from a doily. Yeah, we can do that. Now, let's have a look. Oh, my stomach's really going. Let me just... Oh, I've got a bit of this. This'll do. I'm just going to pop that on there. Like that. Don't forget what I tell you all the time is to make sure... Oh, look, I don't want glue on my nails, look. Is to make sure... Sorry. That you can see every layer. So... Oh, it's one of my favourite ones, that. I might put that on. Let me just see what else we have. Oh, it's cut from that. Look, that was gorgeous fabric. Never been able to find it since. Like that. So it's like a continuation of it. And I'm going to take that off because it's now making my finger go numb. And then I've got this, which has also got pink in it. Which I took off something else that I'd made. But I didn't want to waste it. So what I'm going to do is to cut that. Like that. Let me just cut that down. And I'm just going to cut that like that. And just add that in as an extra piece. And I think I'm just going to put that under here. So it's taking the pink and the cream onto this side as well. So you like that. Now, let's have a look, see what else we can do. I don't need any more of that. But what have we got here? Now, yeah, not that one. Oh, these. I've got one of these, which is one of the stick pins. All you do is you dip it in glue and then you run it about in your glitter. And you make really fancy ones. I've done them and put diamantes on. You know, just to make them different. But let me just see what else I've got. Because I've got some made up. Oh, that's got a... That's pretty, isn't it? Yeah. Let's have a look. I think we need one here. In there. Like that. That's it. And there's my flower. A nice crystal on there as well. Shabby Chic Titbit flower. Really easy. I'm going to be back shortly with something else. I just need to get a few bits and pieces together. And yeah, oh, this came as well, my chain. So I've got some of the AB chain. I also got this one, that pink one, and the black one. Oh no, it's like a purpley colour. Don't know if you can see that. It's beautiful colours. Look at that, like a rainbow colour. So, do you know what? I'm going to actually put some of this on there. Why not? Just to go in with this. Hey, this is when I don't want to have nails on. Because it's hard to handle stuff. I don't know how you lot manage it. Right, so now I need to find a pearl or two, I think. Let me just see. So I need a pink pearl, which I've got here, I think. Just as an added extra. It's a nice pink pearl to fit in there. Oh, I'm going to have to put another one here. Right, okie dokie. And I'm going to put a creamy one in, but a small one. Just there. Yeah. I won't be wearing these nails for long. I do appreciate it, daughter dear. But it's got all the colours of the rainbow in. It's beautiful. It's like petrol blue. So there. Really, really pretty flower, that. From Scraps. So again, Fifi Scrap Flower. That's what we're going to call it. And just play around with all your bits and pieces. Even something as small as that. You can use so many of them. Look, if I just do that, just to enhance this a little bit. Look. Where shall we do it? Here. So, little bit of glue. You just go 1, 2, 3, 4. And we can do one more just there. If you just want to go a little bit OTT there. As nice as that. Thanks for watching. Take care. And I'll be back with something else. Bye bye for now.